Hi everyone, welcome to our latest update. In this release, we're introducing chart components for custom data details pages, adding new automations pro capabilities, and bringing workflow, admin, and configuration enhancements that help teams visualize data, streamline operations, and manage permissions more clearly. Let's start with custom details pages. Chart components are now available, allowing users to visualize key metrics for the current business record directly on the detail page. Supported chart types include KPI card, column chart, bar chart, line chart, area chart, and pie chart. KPI cards also now support data comparison by day, week, month, quarter, or year, helping users spot business trends more quickly. Now, let's look at Automations Pro. In inventory management, users can click the custom button Return. Then select the returned items from an outbound order form and automatically add the return details to an other stock in form. This makes cross-form data entry faster and helps keep inventory data consistent. We've also improved workflows for multi-person approvals. Workflows now support adding multiple approvers at once. When multiple approvers are added, the workflow continues only after all of them have completed their actions. This helps teams handle collaborative approval scenarios more efficiently. Please note that up to 20 members can be added in a single operation. Webhook configurations now support names and notes. This makes it easier to distinguish webhook tasks, identify their purposes, and record key information for future reference. Notifications can now be duplicated. When creating similar reminders, users can quickly reuse an existing notification configuration instead of setting up the same parameters again. Finally, query permission is now split into system and Jodoo product levels. This better aligns the permission query structure with the admin panel and helps admins view permission configurations more clearly. That's all for this update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Jodoo update.